We have one of the newest Manus updates where it allows you to connect it with different apps. For example, with your Gmail, with your Google, with GitHub, with all these others, and you can use them inside Manus to do tasks for you. So I want to walk you through it, how you can set it up, how you can use it, how much credits does it take, and so on and so forth. Now, in case you don't know, Manus is one of the most powerful AI agents out there, which means it doesn't just answer your questions like your basic LLMs, but it can also do things for you. Now, before I explain further, I want to show you how you can connect it with different tools. So you come here to the bottom left in settings. I'm obviously in my computer, and at the bottom here, you can see connectors, right? So you will simply click here, and you can see I already connected it with the things that I use the most, but you will probably not see this. So you will click add connectors and you will see all these different ones that you can use, right? Now, for most people, you will probably use the ones that I added here. Maybe GitHub if you're doing a lot of like coding and stuff. Notion, pretty popular one. Zapier, which would be super useful, especially now when they integrated their own AI agents. So I can see this being super useful. HubSpot, you can even integrate Stripe and PayPal. So a lot of things. And what I also like is that you can add your custom MCP, and I'm not that advanced to show you how to do this, but you can just, if you can just do it. If you don't, you can ask ChatGPT and it will probably walk you through it, or even Manus. And once you update it, I actually tested it this morning and I was like, okay, I connected this, let's see if it works. And I was like, can you book my calendar as busy tonight at 9 p.m. and add 2 reminders 30 and 60 minutes before? And it went and it added it, right? Let's check my calendar and see if it was actually added. Yeah, so you can see here, added, and it's busy, but I only see 1 reminder, which kind of sucks. Then I was like, okay, let's see if it can check my Gmail. And I was like, can you now summarize my emails from yesterday? And it went, it searched my Google, and you can see it here, summarized everything. By the way, if you're looking to make more money by using AI in your business and get more customers, save more time, and get those high-paying clients, I'm releasing 1 to 3 new videos every single week. So consider subscribing. And if you found this video helpful, consider liking it. Now, I want to also show you how you can check how much credits this took. So when you go here and you go view usage, you can see those 2 tasks took 33 credits. Now for context, with Manus, as they went free, you have 300 free daily credits and they refresh, which is really cool. You can pretty much do quite a few tasks with those 300, and I think you get 1000 upon joining. I'll also share the link. I think I can only do like 1, and both of us can get an extra like 500 credits. So if you are not using Manus already, you can do that. By the way, when you come here, if you want to ask it, another cool thing, if you don't know, they have free unlimited chat without any like limits. So you just click here and you can ask it whatever. They have agent mode and they have adaptive mode. So I think you need to use agent/adaptive mode to use the connectors, because I tried with chat and it's not working. So you would use one of these 2 and you would just tell it what you need. Hey, book me a calendar for that and that, do this, do that. Pretty cool little update. I love Manus. I've been using it for months. I actually have it, if you don't know, it can also like schedule tasks. So as you can see, this like weekly, it's honestly daily. It gives me like daily updates of the news in my niche that are relevant for me. So you can do a lot of cool stuff. Check it out. I love their recent updates. They're becoming better and better. So yeah. Now, I recently built the entire sales page without hiring any funnel builder and just by chatting with free AI tools. So if you want to see how I've done it, you can just check this video over here.